Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable voice typing on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So look at my voice typing. Hello. I'm easily use this. So I'm provide how can easily enable. So open settings, scroll down, press on general management, scroll down, click on to Samsung keyboard settings. Then you get voice input. Make sure to open and select Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. Like I'm select Google voice typing and get back. Let's try. Okay, just tap on hello, how are you? And that's it.